I write letters to my friends. She makes cakes for her family. They clean the house every Saturday. He buys groceries at the market. The dog chases the cat. We watch movies on Friday nights. You play the piano beautifully. The children draw pictures in class. He reads the newspaper in the morning. The students learn English at school. I drive my car to the office. She takes photos of nature. We build sandcastles at the beach. They play games after dinner. He plays tennis with his brother. The teacher explains the lesson. You bake cookies for the party. We drink tea in the afternoon. He paints landscapes in his studio. She opens the door for her guests.